Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm excited to have you, and if you're returning, thank you for being part of this amazing community. Today we're diving into an exciting topic that could be a game changer for anyone dealing with diabetes: how Moringa, this incredible superfood, may help in reversing the condition naturally. We all know how challenging it can be to manage diabetes, but there are natural options out there, and Moringa is one of the most powerful. So stick around for the full video to learn how you can incorporate this plant into your routine and what science says about its benefits. Let's get started. Understanding diabetes. To start, let's briefly touch on what diabetes is. Essentially, diabetes occurs when your body either doesn't produce enough insulin or can't use the insulin it produces effectively. Insulin is crucial for regulating your blood sugar levels. Type 1 diabetes is an autoimmune condition, whereas type 2 is often linked to lifestyle factors and can be managed or even reversed with the right approach. Today, we'll focus on how type 2 diabetes can be managed naturally, and Moringa might just be a key player in that process. The power of Moringa, also known as the miracle tree, is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. What makes it truly remarkable for people with diabetes is its unique ability to help control blood sugar levels. Moringa contains bioactive compounds like isothiocyanates and chlorogenic acid, which have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. That means adding Moringa to your diet could help keep your blood sugar levels in check naturally. How Moringa works to reverse diabetes. So, how does Moringa work its magic? Here are the main ways it can help. Lowering blood sugar levels. Moringa slows down how quickly sugar is absorbed into your bloodstream, preventing those harmful spikes in blood sugar after meals. Improving insulin sensitivity. By enhancing how effectively your body uses insulin, Moringa can help your cells absorb glucose better, keeping your blood sugar levels stable. Anti-inflammatory properties. Diabetes is often accompanied by chronic inflammation. Moringa's anti-inflammatory compounds can reduce inflammation and improve overall metabolic health. How to add Moringa to your diet. If you're interested in trying Moringa, you have a few options. Moringa powder. You can mix it into smoothies, teas, or soups for an easy daily dose. Moringa capsules. If you prefer a supplement, Moringa is available in capsule form as well. Fresh Moringa leaves. If you're lucky enough to have access to fresh Moringa leaves, you can eat them in salads or cook them as a vegetable. Be sure to consult with your doctor, especially if you're on diabetes medications, as Moringa could lower your blood sugar levels. Combining Moringa with a healthy lifestyle. Remember, Moringa is a fantastic supplement to add to your diet, but it's not a magic bullet. To get the most out of it, you should also focus on healthy lifestyle choices like eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, and managing stress. All of these factors can work together to help you reverse type 2 diabetes and improve your overall health. Thanks so much for sticking with me until the end. I hope you found this video helpful and that you give Moringa a try in your journey to better health. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe to the channel for more health tips and natural remedies. We've got tons of content coming your way. If you're interested in learning more about health topics, check out our video on eating disorders. It's full of useful insights. See you next time, and stay healthy.